the minimum value of 49 secant square theta plus 64 cosecant square theta 0 degrees less than theta, theta less than pi by 2 is dash. A 225, B 125, C 25, D 625. This is the question. See, this is not in the form of A sec theta plus B cosec theta. Already we had a discussion on that problem. But you see the problem here. This is in the form of A secant square theta plus A square secant square theta plus B square cosecant square theta. Because 49 and 64 are the perfect square. Even though they are not perfect square, no problem. But you remember one thing. This is A square secant square theta plus B square cosecant square theta form. Suppose if the given problem is in the form of A square secant square theta plus B square cosecant square theta, the minimum value directly we can write A plus B whole square, that is the shortcut. Here A stands for 7, B stands for how much? 4, B stands for 8. Here 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 square is 15 into 15 is 225, the first option. Okay. But let us write the hint. Here hint, the minimum value of A square secant square theta plus B square cosecant square theta 0 degrees less than theta, theta less than pi by 2 equal to A plus B whole square. Here A square is equal to 49, A is 7, correct? B square is equal to 64, B will be 8 because 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64. So, now this equal to 7 plus 8 whole square, this is 15 square, you know this 15 square is 225. So, first option is the right option, very easy, very simple, but you must remember this shortcut, this is a hint. Okay, let us move to one more problem. Integral dx by root of 2x square plus 3x minus 1 equals to. So, already we had a discussion on this one. Suppose if delta is less than 0 and a greater than 0, sin h inverse x will appear. Suppose if delta is greater than 0, a greater than 0, then here in this case cos h inverse x will come. So, let us see. So, now write down the hint. Integral 1 by root of ax square plus bx plus c dx equals to 1 by root a cos h inverse x of d by dx of, that means derivative, ax square plus bx plus c by root mod delta plus constant of integration, where delta is greater than 0 and a greater than 0. This is the formula. So, for this formula only this problem is given, do not worry. So, now here a is 2, b is 3, c is minus 1, here a value is greater than 0, this is clear. Let us find out delta. Delta is b square minus 4ac, so 3 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 1. So, this is 9 plus 8, 17, am I correct? Check it. So, now we can write I equals to 1 by root a. So, 1 by root 2 cos h inverse derivative of 2x square plus 3x minus 1, 4x plus 3, 4x plus 3 and root of delta, delta is positive, root 17 plus constant of integration. Okay, you check it. So, 8th problem, the area bounded by the curve y is equal to 4x minus x square minus 3 and x axis is a 8 by 3 square units, b 16 by 3 square units, c 4 by 3 square units, d 32 by 3 square units. This is the problem. This is also very lengthy problem, because on x axis y is equal to 0, you have to find out the limits. So, within the limits we have to integrate it, and upper limit and lower limit we have to substitute, then we get the answer. But it is in the form of y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So, and x axis, that means it is very simple to find out the area enclosed by y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c with x axis, or even x is equal to ay square plus by plus c with y axis also, same procedure has to be adopted. Okay, but more number of problems you have to practice. Now, write down the shortcut. The area bounded by the curve y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c with x axis is, okay, 1 minute, x axis is delta to the power of 3 by 2 by 6a square, where delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. You remember this one. Okay. Now here first find out A, B, C values. A is equal to -1, B is 4, C is -3, and get delta value. What is delta? Delta is B square minus 4AC, okay, 4 square minus 4 into -1 into -3, 16 minus 12, that is 4, delta is 4. Now required area. Required area is equal to, formula we have, delta to the power of 3 by 2 by 6A square. So delta is 4 and A is -1. This is 4 to the power of 3 by 2 by 6 into A square. A square is -1 square, correct? Now this is equal to 2 square whole to the power of 3 by 2 and 6 into -1 square is 1, 2 gets cancelled, 2 cube is 8, correct? 2 cube is 8, 6 into 1 6, again 2 4 ja, 2 3 ja, simplest form, 4 by 3 square units. Can you expect what is the answer? Yes, your answer is correct. C will be the right answer.